In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add sub-questions in SurveyMonkey. In order to do that, you first need to head over to SurveyMonkey.com and click on this Get Started Free option right here in order to actually log in or sign up for an account. You can also click on the Sign Up Free if you would want. Now, if you already have an account in a survey, proceed to click on this Login option right there. Now, here is the survey that I already have. And in order to add a sub-question, you actually need to add in here a matrix. So for example, let's head over and then add in here a matrix option. So let's head over and then add in here some. Click onto this add content. Click onto this question. Enter in your question. So for example, let's put in here rate from 1 to 5. And then in here, let's click onto this and let's just in here this matrix or rating scale. So as you can see right here, there's actually a question type that's available for specific questions right there. You have in here this suggested questions. You can enter in here these types that you would want, and you can actually utilize the matrix or rating scale for this. And there you can just actually input right here a role label. So by the role, we're actually pertaining to the ones onto the side. So for example, let's input right here our question. So for example, let's input right here this and add in here how many sub-questions you would want. Now I want to have 3 and input right here the column. So for this column, let's input 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Once we're done with this, proceed to click on save. And then it should be able to show you this, and this is what it looks like. We have now the sub questions. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.